Want to make a bold statement in your room? I'm Gracie with WTI, and these curtains from StangH will do exactly just that. First off, this smooth velvet fabric is so soft to touch. You guys, I wish you could feel this through the video. And this gold brown color was exactly what I was looking for. Check out how it took my boring white wall plain bedroom and immediately added so much character and warmth just by adding these curtains. These are also great because you can hang these 4 different ways to match the style that you're going for. You can slide your rod directly through the pocket for that scrunched up look, use the back tab for a pleated look, or use clip rings or hooks like I did. So these are technically 70 to 85% blackout, which I found to be perfect for our guest bedroom since most of our guests rarely ever sleep in past sunrise. And I ended up using my steam iron on the back of these curtains just to get a few extra wrinkles out after receiving them. These make my room feel more luxurious than it actually is. There are multiple different colors and sizes to choose from. You cannot go wrong with these, and that's my point of view.